look at these two expressions, they do not have anything in common. And if you look at this, you will see that nothing is common, right? Except 3 and 6, 3 and 6, alright? So in this video, I'm going to teach us how to solve this kind of expression, or how to factorize this type of expression, alright? So welcome to AZ Science TV. If this is what interests you, or if you derive pleasure in this type of questions, please do well to subscribe so that you can keep getting more and more solutions to questions of this nature. Now, without much ado, let's move on quickly. Now, what you are simply going to do is to bring terms that are similar. Okay? So you put down 6. Write down 6PQ. Look for something that has at least 2 terms in common. Okay? Either 6P and so on. So you can see here we have 3 and PS. So bring these 3 here. 3 PS. Okay, now come here, write plus. Okay, let's start with plus before the minus. Okay, so here we are now going to have plus 6QR, then bring minus 3RS. Minus 3RS. So it is now easy to factorize. You can now do what? Do this. Alright? You can see what I'm doing now. So you can group it. This is called grouping. Now, when you group, bring out the terms that are common. Alright? Bring out the HCF of 6 and 3. Okay? HCF of 6 and 3 is 3. Then you can see P is common here. So bring out P. Then you can close your bracket. What is left here is 2Q minus 3 is out here, P is out, so we are left with S inside the bracket here. Then here we have plus 6 and 3. 3 is common to 6 and 3. Then what is common again is R. Between these two terms here, we have R common. Then close the bracket. We are left with 2 again. And Q here, then minus what S? R is gone, so we are left with S. You can see. How do you know if you are correct? When you are doing factorization, how to know that you are correct? Look at the terms in the bracket. They are always the same. The terms in the bracket are always the same. So you can see the terms here, they are the same. That tells you that you are perfect. Okay, whenever you are doing something like this, always look at the terms inside the bracket if they are the same. Then go ahead and write 3P plus 3R, close bracket, then open bracket again, 2Q minus S. So you have factored this to 11, okay, but that's not all. You can also see that 3 is common here, so you can bring out the 3. If you bring it out, you are going to have 3, open bracket, P plus R, then close the bracket, then open another bracket and write 2Q minus S. So with this, you have completely factorized the expression, and this is perfect. Thank you very much for watching, and do well to subscribe. For now, goodbye.